LinkTree. It's your boy, 430 AON Crypto, the biggest cryptocurrency platform on the planet. And we back today with a special one for you guys. Special 4th of July commemorative meme coin edition. Your boy wants to tell y'all about ICMAGA today. So you know how your boy does it. I like to give a nice descriptive video about the project that I'm particularly talking about, and today is going to be ICMAGA, which is in the ICP blockchain. If you guys don't know or aren't familiar with Internet Computer Protocol / project, you guys could go ahead and go and buy some on your preferred centralized exchange. I get mine on crypto.com, and you guys might want to make an Internet Identity ID. I'm gonna save that for another video, but you guys might want to register one of those, which you will be using to sign in and sign out of every ICP dApp that they have in their ecosystem. They have a bunch of applications that kind of mimic all the Web 2 applications that we use daily. So it's pretty bullish, guys. That's a whole nother video for ICP. You guys know I'm a super ICP, degen. So without further ado, I would like to present to you guys the ICMAGA Twitter page. So you guys go ahead and make sure you follow them. Bunch of information, bunch of alpha on here for you guys. Today, the finalized white paper was released by the development team. So if you guys want to check that out, I highly recommend you read it. You go through it. A lot of bullish catalysts are on the way and will be revealed to the public real soon. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, guys, it's meme coin season. Everything popping off. Multiple blockchains across the board. It's meme coin season. Everybody is fudding. Everybody is FOMOing. Everybody's hodling and so on. So I wanted to show you guys a project that I'm bullish on. Mind you, I'm not a financial advisor. These are simply DYOR videos that I like to make for you guys. So your boy 430 AON Crypto, he's bullish on ICMAGA. This is a project I don't mind losing my money on. So with that being said, that's the Twitter. I want you guys to check them out and join the OpenChat community, which is like a reverse engineered Telegram dApp on the Internet Computer Protocol ecosystem. I want you guys to get familiar with the app. It's very nice. I'm go into depth about that application in another video, show you guys the similarities between Telegram and OpenChat. So stay tuned for that. This is the OpenChat community. Go ahead and follow ICMAGA over on Instagram. Make sure you follow them on every social media. You stay locked in, notifications on for any movements being made so you guys never miss out. And you guys might want to go ahead and follow them on Telegram as well. Telegram community is going up. There's a lot of great administrators over here, a lot of mods in the community, a lot of real investors, a lot of, people that really want to be a part of an organic community, a community where people like to buy the token. Of course, we're full-blown degenerates, so we like to cheat. We like to take our money. We like to get our profits, but for the most part, it's a community of Web3 connoisseurs, positively driven with the thought of holding a scarce commodity token and sending that thing straight to the moon. So if ICMAGA sounds like something you would like to check out, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to acquire some today. And before I started that process, I wanted to show you guys all the social medias just to make sure you guys are following the right accounts. ICMAGA. So what you guys definitely want to do is first do your own research. Check out their white paper. Take a glimpse at the roadmap. See if the project is for you. If it's not for you, if it's something you would even like to stand behind, then after you do that, create your Internet Identity ID for the ICP ecosystem. Then after that, what I recommend you guys do is download the Meme wallet. It's a very nice wallet for ICP users. And I also recommend you guys download AlpacaFi, which is a meme coin / portfolio analytic viewer monitor, if you guys want to call it that. It's very nice. It's one of its first of its kind in the ICP ecosystem. We don't have too many dApps that do this type of analysis work on our portfolio. So it's something that ICP users like to use a lot. So after you guys download the Meme wallet, send your ICP from your centralized exchange over here, which I have a couple ICP ready here. Your boy's bullish on ICPMAGA. So what we're gonna do is drop some ICP inside ICMAGA. So in order to do that, we're gonna go ahead and head on over to ICPSwap, guys. So you guys basically get a set of addresses on here. It's basically the same wallet, two separate addresses. So what you do is you copy and paste your address from ICPSwap into your Meme wallet, and you send on over everything that you guys are gonna do. You know, whatever moves you're gonna make with ICP, make sure you send that amount over, which is what I'm doing right now. After I come over here, I like to hit the refresh button up here. All right, so ICP has successfully landed in ICPSwap. So what you're gonna do for the newbies that never acquire ICMAGA, what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit the top left-hand corner and you're gonna go to swap. And if I were you guys, I would click on pro mode. And then basically down here in the bottom token selection screen, you're gonna click it. You're gonna go right here, and this is why I told you guys to download AlpacaFi. You're gonna go ahead, go in AlpacaFi, and you're gonna find ICMAGA. You're gonna find it. You know, you guys are gonna either type it in tokens. You're gonna type it in up here, right? And when you get ICMAGA, which is on sale, you're gonna head on over and click info and get the Canister ID. You're gonna copy and paste that. You're gonna enter that into the ICPSwap, and you're gonna get ICMAGA. So that is to make sure you guys are successfully clicking the right token. You're not getting no scam, duplicate, you know, just out of nowhere decoy of ICMAGA. Make sure you're getting the real deal. So, you know, your boy's bullish. We're gonna jump in there, and small slippage fee. We're gonna buy some ICMAGA live, July 4th special. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoy the content. I got more videos coming. Whole bunch of different, you know, not only coins, tokens, just different type of Web3 products across multiple blockchains. But this is by far one of my favorite. It's a token I don't mind losing my money on. You know we cheating. We like to take our profits, but we want to build a community. So if you guys are bullish on ICMAGA, if you guys want to be a part of a phenomenal community filled with testosterone, bleeding degenerates, you gotta come and join ICMAGA, man. So it's your boy 430 AON Crypto, the biggest cryptocurrency platform on the planet. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Make sure to check out the white paper, the roadmap, and I'll see you guys on the next one. All right? Peace out, man.
Blockchain, 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 blockchain. Yeah. With three. Yeah. Blockchain, 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 blockchain. Yeah. With three. Cryptocurrency, they gon' change the game. Blockchain, Web3, NFTs gon' do the same, Decentralizing the networks and platforms. Make me a bag off of Bitcoin. When you control all the data, the world's yours. When you control all the data, the world's yours. Only get data can turn into assets. I don't care cash, boy, I only got plastic. Blockchain, Web3, changing the massive. Can't see that nigga, go get some glasses. Decentralization was one of the features that's so innovative. When you want the data, the feds can't take it. When you want the data, the feds can't take it.